No matter how small your business is, it needs a website. Because if you do not have a website, my dear, you will miss out on lots of customers. Owning a website gives you credibility, it gives you accessibility, and it helps you stand out. In today's world, owning a website is a necessity. It is not an option. The fact is that if you meet two businesses, one has a website, the other does not have, you notice that people tend to trust a business that has a website than the one that does not have. It's a fact. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional website using Canva, free of charge. And anybody can do this. Let's head into my screen. Let me show you how it is done.
To create a free professional website, head over to canva.com. If you come to canva.com, on the search bar, search for website. As you can see here, this is Canva website template. And if you do not know where to start, these templates will help you to create a professional website for yourself. Anyone that bears this crown here is for the pro. You can only use it if you are a pro member of Canva, a premium member of Canva. Now, like this one that is here is free. I've made a video of how you can get Canva Pro for free. So if you have not watched that video, it is going to pop out now. So you go and watch that video and see how you can become a Canva Pro member. For today, I'm going to be creating a website, a movie website. So I'm just looking for something that is going to make sense here. So among all the ones that I've seen here, I think I like this one, this homepage website. So I'm just going to click on it. If I click on it, it's going to show me about it. So I'm just going to click on customize this template to start building the website. I'm not going to be needing all the pages so far. So I'm just going to delete the ones that I will not be needing. Like this one here. I'm not going to need it. So I'm just going to delete it. Then I will start customization. As I said earlier, I want to create a movie website. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the background of this image. Under elements, I'm going to search for movies and go to photos. I think I like this. Let me put it and see. So I'm going to change this text to home of movies. Now this is this website logo. So if you have a logo, this is where you will put it. I have one logo already, so I'm just going to put it here. Under uploads, center this. Though this is not the logo that I'm going to use for this site, but I'm using it here to illustrate what I mean. So I'm just going to remove this, then drag this down and place it here. You get the point. Now I'm just going to give it a background, elements, under elements, and I'm going to search for shapes. They should pop out. If you do not have it, you can search for shapes under the search bar. You get the point. So I'm just going to do this like this and bring this to front by right clicking. Layer, bring to front, and I'm going to do this like this. Good. And for it to pop out very well, I need to give it a correct background, a kind of background that will make it look good. So let me go to image, under shadows. Let me see this, curved. Let me see. Okay, let's edit the settings. And I think I'm gonna leave it like this. This makes sense to me. You get a point, because this background color resonates with what I'm seeing on my screen. You get a point. So I'm just going to keep this here to align it well. Great. Now I need to change this right up here. To get the right caption for this website, I'm just going to go to my search bar on Google and search for Google Bard. Google Bard, I'm just going to sign in. Now, Google Bard is an AI tool from Google itself, just like ChatGPT. Now, the difference between Google Bard and ChatGPT is that Google Bard deals with current data, while as ChatGPT deals with old data. Like the last update of ChatGPT was 2021. Unless you are running on a ChatGPT Premium, that is, if you are paying $20. Apart from that, if you are a free user, it means that the data you are using is data of 2021 and down. You get the point? So the difference between the two is that Google Bard gives us what ChatGPT gives to us, but it makes it more current. And one thing about Google Bard is that it also includes images. If you want me to make a video detailing about Google Bard or GBard, just go to the comment section and say I need more details on this. Then I'll show you exactly how you can make the best out of Google Bard. Just go to the comment section, say YOROCHIM, I need the Google Bard tutorial, and I will send you a link to go and check it out. So I'm going to put in a prompt saying I need a professional caption for a movie website. This my professional looks like it has errors. Okay, so I'm just going to put in the keyword. As you can see here, it gives me one where stories come to life. This caption is short, simple, and to the point. It conveys the idea that movies are powerful form of storytelling that can transport viewers to other worlds and introduce them to unforgettable characters. Okay, the second one is your destination to the latest and greatest movies. I think I love this one more than the first one. This one resonates with my spirit. You get the point? So I'm just going to copy this, then go to Canva, this small write-up here. I'm going to like Control A and I'm going to paste it in. This blog, I'll be moving it up. Now to move this blog up, I'm just going to click here and move it up. Latest movies. Okay. I'm going to be changing this shortly. Since this is a movie site, I will be needing movies to put in here. I don't know the website that you personally are going to create, but there's something that can help you. Now, I'm going to go to Google Bard again, and I'm going to search for, so I'm going to search Netflix top 10 most popular movies of 2023. You get? So that people can watch Netflix movies on my site. I'm just going to click on it. This Netflix top 10 most popular movies of 2023 is, it has listed it out here for me. As you can see here, I'm going to be working with this. Now to get these images, I'm going to go to Google search. So I'm just going to search free wallpaper. The fallen sun, free movie wallpaper. So I'm just going to click enter. And voila, here we have it. So I'm just going to click on images. So these are wallpapers that I can work with. Okay, as you can see. Now, one thing that you need to look out for is that if you are downloading these images, there are free websites that you can get images. If we search for where to get free images, copyright free images, you get the point. If I should click on search, it will list out lots of sites where you can get copyright free images. Now, on sites like pesos.com, Pisabi, stock.exchange, and the Adobe Stock, here you can get free images. But you can't see images like this on those websites. So you need to work with what you have. Now, inside my downloads, I already have images downloaded already. You get the point. So you download yours. Now, going here, I'm just going to click on this and change this image. So going here, I'm just going to go to uploads and upload image or video. So under my downloads, it's at the right place. I'm just going to select this. So it has completed the upload. Now I have a draft when it comes to this website. You know, all these things, it is very, very important that before you start creating your website, you know the niche that you want to create your website on. You do some research and draft out the text and the images that you will need for your website. You get a point before you start doing it. I have a text that I'm going to be using, and under my documents I have it, a list of movies. This is it here. Now, how you can get this is very simple. So under the prompt bar, I'm going to give it a command: summarize Modern Mystery 2 movie. You get the point. Now if you click on it, it's going to summarize it for you. I think this particular sentence here summarizes it gives me the summary of the movie. You get the point. So here I'm going to search for the Modern Mystery stuff, and I'm going to just drag it across and bring it here. Now to set this thing very well, I'm just going to double click on it and bring it down a bit. You get a point. I think I like it there. Okay, and go here and under here I'm just going to paste it, Ctrl V, and here the summary. I'm just going to go to that summary, copy this here, paste it, Ctrl V. Now I'm just going to ungroup this, and take it up small. One thing you should notice here that I think you should notice is that this picture that I added here, that I got, is quite nobody is seeing this right up. You get a point. Now I can change this. So I need to search for frames, and under the frames I'm going to just look for it, and I think this is okay, good. And I'm going to drag this across. Then I will delete the first one. So I'm just going to select this image and put it in there. You get a point. And I think I'm going to do the same thing for this. So I'm just going to duplicate this, Ctrl D, and put it here. So I'm just going to and delete it. Delete. So I'm just going to duplicate. You get a point. So I want this to appear into 3 places. So I'm just going to select it and push it down. Then duplicate it again. Now, as you can see here, I have filled in about 9 movies already. Now, another thing that you need to know is that this page, this particular page that we are, this latest movies page, we can drag it very, very down so that it will occupy more movies. Now, when it comes to these movies, I will place an icon signifying play. I'm just going to come here, play icon. These are the play icons. I'm going to use this blue, put it here. Let me see the preview. Now, when it comes to this website, as you can see here, there's what we call the navigation. You get the point. Without navigation, this is how it will look like. I always love it with navigation because it's going to help people. Like if they should click on blog, it will bring them to the latest movies. You get the point. Now, this is the mobile view. This is what it looks like on mobile. You see the arrangement here. My idea of creating this particular website is so that somebody can come here and download these Netflix movies for free. You get the point, and watch it. I'm going to create a download now button. So I'm just going to type in download now under the element. I'm just going to use this. I think there is okay. Now I'm going to use this also. So these are some of the things you can do for yours. That's color. So I'm just going to group these. Group. Ctrl D to duplicate it and place it accordingly. Ctrl D. You see? Very lovely. Now when it comes to download, if I want to link this particular page out, this is where somebody can download that movie. You get the point. Now I can copy this, go to that website, I'll right click and add link. You get the point. This link here. So I'm just going to add link and Ctrl V. That's a link that I got from SabiShare. You get the point. So I'm just going to paste it in. If I should publish this, we have this menu here popping out where you can add navigation on. Now another thing is if you choose a free domain, you get a point. Free domain is that you are going to be using this particular link here. You can also purchase a new domain. If I should click on purchase a new domain, it means that I'm going to be buying a new domain that is like www.yorochim.com. You get a point, from Canva. And if I should use an existing domain, it's going to take me where I will put in the details of the domain that I have bought somewhere else. But here I'm going to be using the free domain. So if I should continue here, one thing that it will bring to you is to edit the link, your URL. You get a point. Now, if I should edit this, I will just delete all that nonsense there. Now, the link that is given to me is fideltrade.mycanva.site/home of movies. You get the point. That's one particular thing about Canva sites. They give you that name, but you have the power to change the Chroma link. When it comes to website description, this is where you describe your website in details, and it is important that you put in relevant keywords. If you do not know what to write here, just go to Google Bard or ChatGPT and type in using 160 characters. Generate an SEO optimized website description for my Netflix movie website. Very, very important. You get the point. Why I use this 160 characters is because you cannot add more than 160 characters in the website description. So it is important you detail out the things very well so that it will give you the accurate thing that you want. So as you can see here, Netflix, watch the latest and greatest movie, from action and trailers to comedy and mystery. Find your next favorite movie today, as you can see here for us. So I'm just going to copy this and go to the website and put in the description. So here you can enable password protection, you can also hide your website from search engines. So as you can see, this website has been published. So if I should click on view website, it will load it in another new page entirely. Okay, this is it. So this is the first one that we put in this thing. As you can see here, it is clickable, unlike this one. You get the point? This one is clickable. So if I should click this now, it will bring me to that download page. You see, it's working already. Now this particular stuff, I don't like this background. I think I'm just going to make it black, because black will fit it more. You see that? This makes more sense right now. Now another way that you can do this is if you go to designs and you go to styles. You get the point? Now you will see different styles here. You get? So you can use these styles to beautify your work. What I mean is this. Like if I should go to this color palettes, if I click on this right here. Now if I should click on it again, it will shuffle it until if you get what that matches your taste. You get the point? You can work with that. Now another thing that I noticed is that when I publish this particular website here, under this blog, I'm not pasting blog posts here, you get? So I want to change this blog into movies. I don't like that thing. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to click here under this grid view. And as you can see, this is a blog. You get? So I'm going to change this to movies. Now you can change any name that you want here. You get the point? This is how you change it. So it has been published. Now if I should go back to that website that we opened before and refresh it, that blog, as you can see here, it has changed to movies. Now there's another thing that you need to know, and you can use different type of layouts. There are so many layouts that you can use here. For example, if I should click on this now, you see this is different layouts that you can use. There is a lot that you can do with Canva free website. But one thing that is important is that whenever you are editing your website, always look at the name here. This name is very, very important. Control A. You need to name it something that is related to what you are creating. You get the point? Now, when it comes to Canva, it is great for creating landing pages or profile pages. Like you are an influencer now. It's good to use Canva to create your landing page, to create your product landing page. But when it comes to blogging websites and full-fledged product website, I don't recommend it. You get the point? Even when it comes to this particular website that I want to create here right now, you get the point? There are some lacking. For example, what I mean is this. If there is somebody that needs one of these movies and the person can't scroll through, you can't add search bars just like this one you are seeing here now. You can't add it on Canva. However, if you have found a way of adding in search bar on Canva, you can also let me know. I'll be creating a full-fledged website where you can add those search bar and other things that will make your website stand out more in our next lesson. So you need to watch out for that lesson. You get the point? Where you can create professional, outstanding website that can contain your blog, search bars, and other add-ons that will make your website to stand out. So this is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.